Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.2 question number 2. In that fifth subdivision, let's see the question. Check the injective and the surjective of the following function. So we are going to find the injective and the surjective, that is 1 to 1 or the on to function. Here given the fifth question is function f z to z, that is integers to integers given by f of x is equal to x cube. We can prove this by two methods. As this is not same, I am going to take the arrow diagram method. In arrow diagram, this is from z to z. This is your domain and this will be your codomain. Here I am going to take minus 1, 0, 1. Here same minus 1, 0, 1. If I substitute the value of minus 1 in the place of x cube, we know that minus 1 cube will be minus 1. So here minus 1 goes to minus 1, and if I substitute x in the 0 in the place of x, it becomes 0. Same way if I substitute 1, it becomes 1. So from this we know that all the value are to only one thing. So here we can say that every element in the codomain, this is the codomain, has only one pre-image. So for every element there is only one pre-image. If there are two pre-image, then we can say it is not one to one. Therefore it is one to one function. Now for on to, here if I take a value, if I take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, yeah, I've written all the numbers, mainly the cube numbers. Here, if I substitute 2 here in the place of f of x, here the given function is f of x is equal to x cube. If I substitute minus 2, I get minus 8. So, for 1 it becomes minus 1, for 0 it becomes 0, for 1 it becomes 1, for 2 it becomes 8. Now we can clearly say that the codomain are quite larger than the range. The range, here we don't have 7, we don't have 6, we don't have 5, it's all leftovers. So we can say that the codomain is not equal to the range. There are leftovers, as the codomain is equal to z. But our range is the cube numbers, that is plus or minus 0. For 0 we can say it is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 8, it's all cube number, plus or minus 27, like that it goes. All the cube numbers with plus or minus, because of cube, if you substitute, the power is odd number, so you will have a negative number if you substitute a negative value. So your range is different from the codomain, so your codomain is not equal to your range. Therefore, we can say that f is not onto function. So, it is not an onto function. That's all with the sum. Thank you.